Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Today is October 2nd. Yes, one more day, ladies. I'm still waiting on mail. So here where I'm at, I get mail at 3:45, sometimes later. So that's also why I said I would announce the winner at a late time so that it gives the postal service opportunity to come and deliver whatever's in the mail already. So today is actually about a haul. I have a Walmart haul, a small Walmart haul, and then I'm going to make another video and it's going to be a Dollar Tree haul. So let's get started. So this is all in the clearance aisle at Walmart, and I picked up two little pencil pouches. This one, Sequence Saying Pen and Gear. Look at this gorgeousness. I love it. I believe it was $2. Look at the zipper. It's pink and blue, and you have the sparkle. It's so fun. And then you open this up. It's pretty big. It's a pretty big, decent pouch. I would use this. I would love to use this for road trip. And then I got this one, and it just reminded me of like mermaid and unicorn combined. But it's blue on the inside, and the zipper is blue and yellow. And the pouch itself, it says less bitter, more glitter. I totally agree. I'm actually trying to unstick this part because, oh, there you go. It was like static stuck. I knew it wasn't permanently stuck. There we go. That's more like it. Love it. There you go. So we got this one with the purple letters, and it says, what does it say? Less bitter, more glitter. I just read it. Duh. And then this one with the pink letters, and it says Sparkle, Live, and Love. It's totally cute. I love it. Just picture this for Happy Mail, ladies. Very cute. Very good size pouches. Okay. The next one I found, it was the Happy Planner. And this is all in the clearance, guys. This was $8, and it was originally, where was it? I think it was 20 bucks originally. So I picked it up for $8. And I do have a Happy Planner, but I'm thinking I want to do this as like a memory. Some of the ladies use it like a memory junk journal, you know, type deal. I mean, you could use it for whatever, but that's why I picked it up, so that I could punch my stuff and make my own cover and backing. And then I also found, I believe this is, okay, a different company, and it's Girly Chic Collection by Pink Light Studio. It says Class Act Stationery. You got 100 pages. It says Girl Power, and what I love about it is it's not white. It's a yellow kind of age type look, so it's not stark white. So I found this one, and then I found this with the flowers. It's black with gold polka dots, and then you got the roses, and they have the little gold center, and it's the same with the paper in the inside. So I thought these two would be so handy. There was another design. I was like, 2 is enough, and it was 2 for $1. So these notebooks were 50 cents each in the clearance at Walmart. Okay, and the last thing I picked up is a 12 by 12 storage drawer by Sterilite, and it went up. I believe it was $11, something like that. So that is it for Walmart, and I will come back with the second video and That'll be a Dollar Tree haul. So thanks for joining me, guys. Go check out the Walmart clearances. They're clearing it off for the Christmas, all their Christmas decorations. So lots of good deals there. I just didn't need any of it. I just got these. So thanks for watching. Bye.